Students, we are going to discuss questions of chapter Chemical Kinetics back exercise. Question number is 4.28. Here the data is given. Here the data is written. Two values of rate constant is given. One temperature is given, but second temperature is not given for rate constant K2. So write down the Arrhenius equation in which two different temperatures are involved. So equation is log K2 by K1 equal to activation energy divided by 2.303 R 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2. The most important point is always take the temperature in Kelvin. So temperature is given in centigrade. First convert it into Kelvin, right? Without converting into Kelvin, don't do the question, right? So by addition of 273, this temperature is changes into 283 Kelvin. Now place the value. Log K2 we have to find out. Log K1 is equal to 4.5 into 10 to the power 3. Activation energy is given in 60 kilojoules. Convert it into joules. 2.303 R is 8.314. We have to calculate the value of temperature T2. T1 is given is 283 and 283 T2, right? Right, students? And the value of K2 is also given, and the value is 4.5 into 10 to the power 4, 4.5 into 10 to the power 3, 60 into 1000, 2.303, 8.314, 283, 2, here minus sign will be there, 283 T2. Please check it here, the sign should be negative. So try to solve this question and you have to find out the value of temperature here, and temperature comes out to be 297 Kelvin, right? Now we are going to discuss the next question, that is 4.29 of NCERT book. Students, in this question, time required for 10% completion of first order of reaction at 298 Kelvin is equal to 25% completion at 308 Kelvin. If the value of Arrhenius constant 4 into 10 to the power 10 per second, calculate rate constant at 318 Kelvin, and second part you have to calculate the activation energy. So first collect all the data which is given in the question. The question said to us that T1, that is the time, T1 time is equal to T2 time. उसने कहा यहाँ पर कि 298 केल्विन पे जो रिएक्शन 10% कंप्लीट होती है और 308 केल्विन पर 25% जो रिएक्शन कंप्लीट होती है, उनका जो टाइम है दैट विल बी इक्वल. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट डाउन द इक्वेशन for first order of reaction. As we all know, K is equal to 2.303 K is equal to 2.303 upon T log initial concentration over left concentration, and that is for the time T1, right? And for it is K1. For K2 it is 2.303, time is T2 log initial concentration over left concentration, right student? That is equation number 1 and that is equation number 2. If we are talking about the 10% equation, so place the value here. K1 is equal to 2.303 time log. If we are talking about the initial concentration, it is 100%, and if it is completed 10%, the leftover is 90, right? For the next equation, K2 is equal to 2.303 upon T2 log initial concentration is again 100 and leftover portion is 75, right? क्योंकि 25% तो ऑलरेडी रिएक्शन हो चुकी है तो लेफ्ट ओवर कितनी होगी 75%. एज वी ऑल नो T1 is equal to T2, right? So compare these equations. T1 is equal to 2.303 upon K1 log 100 by 90, and here T2 is equal to 2.303 upon K2 log 100 by 75. If we solve this equation number 1 and equation number 2, if we completely solve this equation, we get the value of T1 is equal to 0.1055. I am taking the direct values. You have to solve this equation. This is the rate constant at the temperature of 298 Kelvin, and right, and T2 is, the value comes out to be 2.879 rate constant at the temperature of 308, right? As we all know, T1 is equal to T2, that is given in question. This is the question's requirement. So compare it to 1055 upon, write down in the term of K1 is equal to 0.2879 K2, right? And if we get the ratio of K2 by K1, it comes out to be K2 by K1 2879 2.1055, it comes out to be 2.7289. Now the question arises, why we have calculated the ratio of K2 and K1? Because in Arrhenius equation, as we all know, what is the Arrhenius equation? Arrhenius equation is log K2 by K1 is equal to your EA upon 2.303 R 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2. Here we have to calculate K2 by K1. R, we all know it's a constant. Temperatures are, different temperatures are given. So we can easily calculate the value of EA here. Here I am showing you, place the value of K2 and ratio of K2 and K1, that is your 2.7289. EA you have to calculate 2.303 or 8.314. 1 upon T1 temperature is 298 and T2 temperature is 308. From where you have to calculate the value of EA, and its value is comes out to be 76.623 kilojoule per mole. Right, students? I think so. This question is now understood by you, right? The next part of this question is, you have calculated the activation energy, but you have to calculate the rate constant at 318 Kelvin. So apply the Arrhenius equation for the temperature. Now the second part of this question is, apply the Arrhenius equation, and Arrhenius equation is log K is equal to log A minus, as you all know na, how we have calculated is EA upon 2.303 RT. Arrhenius constant value is given. Activation energy you have calculated in first part of the numerical. R value is 8.314. Temperature it is given. You have to calculate the value of rate constant at the temperature of 318 Kelvin. From where you have to calculate, you can easily calculate the value of K. First you get the value of log K here, and after that taking anti-log both sides, and you get your answer. The value comes out to be minus 1.9822. Take the anti-log both sides and get the value of K which is asked. Right, students? That is all about the numerical problems related to Arrhenius equation. I hope this video helps you a lot.